The Boston English accent.
Boston accent.
Numbers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Greetings and phrases.
Hey. Hello. How are ya? How you doing? How's it going? Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good night. Bye. Yes. No. Okay. Thanks. You're welcome. No problem. Excuse me. Pardon? I'm sorry.
Vocabulary.
Potatoes. Barrel. Blinker. Bubbler. Cellar. Clicker. Frap. Jimmy's. Packy. Parlor. Rotary. Sonai. Spa. Supper. Tonic. Wiffle. Wicked.
Boston sayings.
Coffee regular. He's a chowderhead. I'm taking the tea. On the pike. 3-decker. To bang a left. To bang a Yui. To get bagged. To go down the Cape. To pull into the breakdown lane. To wear a Johnny. What's doing? Wicked good. Wicked pissa.
Pronunciation.
100, all, white, red, green, long, sharp, full, young, new, naked, quick, fast, good, warm, cold, sore, holy, better, right, head, eye, ear, tear, mouth, tongue, tooth, hand, foot, knee, toe, blood, bone, nail, heart, liver, mother, father, daughter, brother, name, word, hound, mouse, goose, cow, lamb, calf, fish, horn, wool, moon, north, stone, ash, earth, leaf, thorn, oak, rain, storm, thunder, snow, ice, wind, hunger, milk, honey, salt, corn, house, home, yard, oven, stool, bath, thing, top, needle, ring, is, eat, bite, drink, see, hear, open, sit, wash, fight, swear, I, what, in, out, over, mid, day, night, year.
Sample text.
Well, here's a story for you. Sarah Perry was a veterinary nurse who had been working daily at an old zoo in a deserted district of the territory. So she was very happy to start a new job in a superb private practice in North Square near the Duke Street Tower. That area was much nearer for her and more to her liking. Even so, on her first morning, she felt stressed. She ate a bowl of porridge, checked herself in the mirror, and washed her face in a hurry. Then she put on a plain yellow dress and a fleece jacket, picked up her kit, and headed for work. When she got there was a woman with a goose waiting for her. The woman gave Sarah an official letter from the vet. The letter implied that the animal could be suffering from a rare form of foot and mouth disease, which was surprising because normally you would only expect to see it in a dog or a goat. Sarah was sentimental, so this made her feel sorry for the beautiful bird. Before long, that itchy goose began to strut around the office like a lunatic, which made an unsanitary mess. The goose's owner, Mary Harrison, kept calling, comma, which Sarah thought was an old choice for a name. Comma was strong and huge, so it would take some force to trap her. But Sarah had a different idea. First, she tried gently stroking the goose's lower back with her palm, then singing a tune to her. Finally, she administered either. Her efforts were not futile. In no time, the goose began to tire, so Sarah was able to hold on to Comma and give her a relaxing bath. Once Sarah had managed to bathe the goose, she wiped her off with a cloth and laid her on her right side. Then Sarah confirmed the vet's diagnosis. Also, immediately, she remembered an effective treatment that required her to measure out a lot of medicine. Sarah warned that this course of treatment might be expensive, either 5 or 6 times the cost of penicillin. I can't imagine paying so much, but Mrs. Harrison, a millionaire lawyer, thought it was a fair price for a cure.